Hi, welcome to Crescent Lake Waterfront. Let me show you our newest home for sale. You're looking at 25A. This is a champion home built at Homes of Merit plant in Lake City, Florida. Our community is located in Crescent City, Florida, on Crescent Lake. This waterfront community is for seniors, 55 and older. 80% of our residents are over the age of 55, and we do not allow children. But we do have a wonderful home here for a senior community environment that allows for you to have your boat, enjoy the waters, also have a community garden center and fire pit. This home is 500 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. What you're seeing here is some great features from the factory. Let's take a look around. First thing we should notice is that this home, even though it's tiny, has full-size cabinets, full-size appliances. Some of the upgrades that we chose to put in the home from the factory are glass backsplash, upgrade faucets, sinks. We also put in the upgrade molding package. That gives you a nice crown molding and a beautiful base molding. The home has linoleum throughout, so no carpeting in this unit. Makes for easy cleaning. We also put in a window AC heat unit. You can choose to have a separate unit put outside because from the factory, this home comes equipped with ductwork throughout the roof. The home has 2x4 wall construction, so it has a nice insulation package to keep your energy bills low. It also has double pane windows with the grid between the panes to give it a nice aesthetic look. The bathroom has a shower, no tub, so easy in and out of the shower here. It has a porcelain sink, some nice countertops, and in this room you have room for a stackable washer and dryer. You've got a nice craftsman style door. The rear door goes out to our side yard, and in the back of this home we have a nice spacious site for a patio, lawn chairs, whatever you choose to put out there to enjoy Florida's nature. This has a full-size bed in it. It will fit a queen or king. The king will not allow you to have nightstands. The house is equipped with 150 amp electrical service. This home is all electric. Your utility bills will be pretty low considering the fact that it's only 500 square feet and it's very well insulated. As I stated, this is a community. You do not purchase the land, you rent the site. A land lease community allows you to enjoy the freedom of having just a home mortgage payment. The site rent includes lawn care year-round, 1-car parking, and trash. The attached porch is 13 by 8 with spectacular views of the water. The exterior of this home is all vinyl siding, vinyl railings, so there's no paint required. Easy maintenance.